This tutorial guides you through installing the SignageTube Live standalone version for Microsoft PowerPoint. Before starting, get a trial version from the SignageTube and download the installation file stlvdes1.x to your computer. Click and open the installation file. Welcome to the installation file that will install SignageTube Live on your computer. Click the Next button on the welcome screen to proceed with the setup. Click the Next button again to accept the default installation path and continue. Click the Install button to begin installing the software on your computer. Click the Finish button once the installation completes to close the installer. Click the PowerPoint app from the search results to open it. Click inside PowerPoint to access the main interface where you can add add-ins. Click the SignageTube tab in PowerPoint to access the SignageTube features. The SignageTube Live ribbon or menu is now present for all your PowerPoint presentations. You have successfully installed SignageTube Live standalone version and accessed it within Microsoft PowerPoint. You can now start creating dynamic signage presentations. For further customization, explore the SignageTube settings or visit the support resources.